Tyler J. Marshall Grant. Hey. Done for I thought maybe I could double. Yeah, I know. You got right back on track. Over that nose.
That's all right.
Yeah, you gotta drop the nose. That's what you gotta do. You're doing good. It was smart though a couple times. I don't know. All right, now the Chinese game. Timer's ready for Marshall's ring. Top jerk teammate. Yes, top jerk teammate. Timer's ready for Marshall's ring. Timer's team playing. And listen for the zone. People don't walk there with that habit, so they don't crash by themselves. So we restart that one. So somebody walks up and somebody else is going to restart and get me on my neck. And you're here right now, Greg Lundy and Mike Craig. 1, 2, and 3. We are in that third spot down. Actually, way to go. Here we go, across the line. Greg Lundy out front. Mike Craig in second. We are in third.
For at least 4 of these cars.
1, 2, and 3. Here it is. 1, 2, and 3. We set it down that back way with Greg Lundy and Carlo. We're going to your leader, Carlo. This is the get up into the 8-8 stock truck. That's the 8-8 stock truck. Car number 1, set the brake turn. Greg Lundy down that back there with second place is Mike Craig. Third place is Louis Owens. Fourth place is Brad Wiley. Top 4 down the regular one here is Robert in 5th. We're going out to that 6th spot. And Louis Owens has no pressure on second place. Mike Craig. The battle comes to that back to her. Now back to her together. Greg Lundy, there it is. Mike Craig and Louis Owens. We got it, trying to put pressure on. Now back to the line, once again, Greg Lundy, this is Greg on the line.
5 minutes left.
And we got the other 5 minutes to go. He's down the other way. He's got a room, too. He's got an 8-8 out there. We set it down back to Greg Lundy. Here comes the Mike Craig. We are the 3-way battle right now. The 3-way battle. They take it up and they take it down. All right, Mike Craig is still up. I'm not going to go to the lead. It's still here. Oh, Lundy is coming up. Lundy a little mistake right there. Down back to him. He goes from first to third. Mike Craig looking at it now. Louis Owens second. Here we go. Over the double lane hill. Oh, then second place. Oh, Mike Craig is going to be from first to third. Louis Owens, iron pace there. three. That one being straight and covered. Here comes Brad Wiley from the other out 26. He's got Bridgewater right behind him. Bridgewater trying to get by Wiley. Here they go. Woody on her side. Woody gets by Craig. Craig on the city right there. So Craig out third. Allison Bridgewater fourth. Bridgewater on charge right now. She's going in the first spot now. She's
I don't have any red lights on this, so beware when I hit the brake. I don't know which one. Oh, great.
There's one. They'll be more than enough to reach the end. We're going to 2 minutes.
Not pulling overtime.
I think we all know the stakes here.
But you should have done better if you didn't want to do
So
that.
Mike created that third shot. That's a huge mistake to upset 40 spots. So now Bridgewater right behind the one down one. There we go. So there you go. One down. Trying to hold off Allison Bridgewater for that second transfer spot. Here we come on the second out. Oh, and the two on down that back straightaway. Oh, no, another leader. Another leader. One more country.
Come on, Woody!
So there's one guy right behind the leader. They come up to me, I don't know. You get 1 more, you can get up into the A8. Greg Lundy and Woody Garber to that back straightaway. Trying to hold off Allison Bridgewater. Oh, and you guys, let's do it. That's good. We're just going to do that one in the middle. There we go, up to that second wheel top. Thank you again, Mr. Alder. Now the back straightaway, 35 seconds. 3 more laps. It's like 2 more laps, 3 seconds. Bridgewater trying to stay out there, waiting for something to happen. Need something to stay on the leaders. What we see? One lap right here, they go down back to 1 lap to go. Greg Lundy, Woody Garber, turning over the 8 and stop shut.